Hello, so this is going to be me doing a video on me solving a Rubik's Cube 3x3. No tricks, just like no cheating, just gonna actually do it. So I'm just gonna get started. There's not gonna be much talking in this video, so yeah. Hopefully I'll be able to do it really quick for you guys. Hang in there. Sorry about this camera angle, but can't get the best angle right now, so forgive. Please don't be mad in comments, even though not that popular of like no subscribers right now, so it won't even matter. Okay, so that's just backwards, so see how I have the middle row done now? Now I have to get the yellow cross for this. Got the yellow cross and one there. And that was completely useless, and I have to do that other algorithm again. Dumb. Okay. Should be like one more algorithm till I'm done, so hang in there for like another minute. Not for a minute, for another like couple seconds. So there you have it. I just solved a Rubik's Cube. It's completely random, but yeah, I just wanted to do a YouTube video on that. Testing out my new phone. Sorry for dropping that. Hope you have good New Year's. Goodbye.